What's up, everybody? I'm out here at Sloss Furnace. There's a little dry spell in between the tropical depression. Thankfully it let up, so let's go check it out. One thing's for sure, when you're at the furnace, it can get a little confusing and you can get turned around pretty easy, so it's a good idea to remember where you came from. Otherwise you're going to be having a hard time finding the exit. So let's hope I get out before they lock the gate. Good times, good times.
I got to warn you. You're doomed to stay. Go. Go.
Well, it looks like I found my way out. I'm on the way to the exit, so we'll see what this video does. Unfortunately, I didn't have much time to spend here today, but you know, it's not my fault. The tropical storm rained us out for the most part of the day, and they only are open till 4 o'clock on Sundays. So hopefully we got something good. We'll see. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep on hiking.